This CMD command reveals all Windows services. Did you know Windows has a hidden command that can show every service running on your computer? From Windows Update to antivirus services, you can see them all using one simple command. Press Windows plus R, type CMD, and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open command prompt as administrator. Now type this command. sc query state equals all. Then press Enter. This command queries the Windows Service Control Manager and displays every installed service, including its current state, startup configuration, process ID, and service type. It's an essential command for diagnosing system issues, verifying service health, and troubleshooting Windows at an advanced level. This helps you understand what's happening behind the scenes in Windows. This command is useful for troubleshooting Windows problems, checking whether a service is running, diagnosing software issues, and verifying that important services like Windows Update, Print Spooler, or your antivirus are working correctly. Follow for more hidden Windows CMD commands that every computer user should know.